So my name is Christian Isanke. I'm a doctor and a surgeon by profession. Currently, I'm in a training of cardiothoracic surgery under MUAS and located at the JKSI for training. So I attended the conference for CardioTan 2025 with the theme of strengthening cardiovascular care in Africa. So we also presented a topic about the early outcome of a patient who underwent repair of abdominal aortic aneurysms. This was a 5 years study about descriptive study about the patient who we were there as the first milestone for Jakaya Kikwete as the Institute of the Cardiac and Cardiovascular treatment for Tanzania. The cardiovascular services are widely needed in our country, and we are grateful for Jakaya Kikwete Cardiac Institute, and also we are grateful for the opportunity to present what we are doing at Jakaya. So the conference was really well organized, and we see how we have networked with people. We see how we got to understand and know other knowledge from other people from different countries, as well as visiting Zanzibar. So we are grateful for that, and we are looking forward for the next conference in Arusha.